Good morning, good morning. I hope you're doing great. So let's go straight to our quick analysis. What's really happening? On the economic calendar, we don't really have much, especially today, but we can see Governor of England or Bank of England is going to speak around 25 past 3. Maybe that might move the market, but most of the time, this event never moved the market that much. So something that is very important is going to be tomorrow, interest rates. It seems like Canada, they're going to cut the rates, interest rates from Canada. And later on, let's say Thursday, it's where we're going to have PMIs. This is going to be a very, very, very busy day. So yeah, be extra careful around that day because this is going to be like throughout the day. So on Friday, we also have retail sales from Canada. So you can see that we don't really have much from the US. The only thing that we have here is this PMI and jobless claims. And we know very well that mostly PMI doesn't really move the market that much. I'm not saying totally you're not going to see the move, but the move is like moderate or maybe let's say very, very low, unless if maybe there is a crazy surprise. Because the numbers, most likely, they don't really differ that much. When I see the number, I'm talking about the actual estimates versus actual. Most of the time, they are quite the same. So the market doesn't really move that much. So now let's move straight to our analysis and see what we have. You can see that we are on that DXY, and for those who wants to be part of the team, you can pause that video and then you can talk to me. So now what we see here is we can easily see that the dollar, it's gaining the momentum. It's going up. It's been going up for quite some time, and we can see that it seems like it's not going to stop anytime soon, but we have an area that I've been pointing for quite some time. But at the moment, what I like here is we are on this aggressive push. But I think this type of a move shows us that that is actually an aggressive reversal. But we know very well that next month they're going to cut the rate. The market won't just keep flying like this. But we know again the reason why we saw the dollar gaining some momentum. We saw NFP, it was on some plus sign or positive. We saw CPI, it was also very good. Retail sales and the other ones, they were the one which did not really perform aggressively positive, but they were still not bad. So that actually pushes a US economy to perform very good because it shows that there is still some activities happening on the economy. So also if we see jobless claims going down, that is also very good. But at the moment, we can easily see that we are still going up. This is a sharp move. You can see that. So we can't say this is sustainable. I think along the way, the market might still reverse, even though maybe the market will continue. But I think a nice reversal can work very nice. So which means the dollar might be going up. Another thing is we have geopolitics, guys. We have geopolitics all over the world. This fuel dollar index to push even higher as people are buying US bonds, right? So yeah, let's push to the next pair, which is going to be, I think it's GBP USD. Guys, my network this time it's quite very slow, but I'm just forcing, guys. I'm just forcing so that everyone can get some updates. So now we are on GBP USD. You can see that the market is still on that nice uptrend. But even though we say we are still on that uptrend, we're not saying that the market is not on a selling spree here. The market, yes, is actually on a sell, but the overall structure, it's actually a very nice uptrend. It's like here, you can see that the market was going down there. After that, we saw the market going higher. Here, the market was selling. Here, the market was selling. So at the end of the day, the market does what? The market will end up pushed to the upside. So I thought maybe the market was going to give us a proper reversal. Let me do this on a daily time frame so that you can see the candlesticks. Guys, if you are new to the channel, even if you are not new, please share the video. Please like the video so that this can boost the algorithm so that it can offer these videos to other people. So what's really happening here is you can see that we had an area previous your time. You can see that proper area to say it might be a potential resistance, and indeed the market came and respected that. So here the market was just playing around. We had a lot of consolidation until the market breaks out. This shows us that the dollar is quite strong, but at the moment the last hope is actually on this support, the outer area. It's been there, you can see that. So now we're waiting for the market to reach this level before we say the market it's about to reverse. Or maybe if it's quite stronger, maybe we might see also a breakout. If that happens, that will be good also. We will be looking for sales. But at the moment, I'm not really confident selling on a very nice uptrend like this. Yes, it might take time to reach our area, but there's nothing that we can do. So on gold, we can easily see that the market is actually on a very nice bullish move, but it seems like we reached an area that we can say the market might reverse. You can see there. You can see I will be changing this to 4 hours time frame so that you can see nicely what's happening here. So you can see that the market has been going up. I've been preaching about the market going up even the time the market was trying to sell here, and indeed the market did reverse. So this means that we were actually not wrong, as we were saying that let's follow the trend, and it seems like the trend is still going higher. So I still believe that you will see the market try to go even higher. And what I see here is we have, or the market is trying to give us a clue about this resistance. So if the market creates that as a solid resistance, obviously we will expect to see the market reversing. But since the market created several structures there, maybe it will touch here, play around, but I feel like the most important structure is going to be this previous resistance. This type of moves happens everywhere. You can see here we had those structures. We had those structures, but at the end of the day, the market will come back and touch our support area. So even here, the market might do the same thing. The market might create something like that, but this area is going to be the one last move that we're gonna eat very nice when the market reverses to the upside. Remember, the market is still going up because of geopolitics, not just because maybe the dollar is weaker. Because of geopolitics, we saw a DXY going higher. Even gold is also going higher. So this shows you that things are not really moving very well. There are so many tensions in the world. So try to check out that, and you will understand why maybe gold it's no longer negatively correlating with the pairs that maybe used to correlate before. So now we are on US30. US30 has been actually higher. I thought maybe yesterday, the market was going to give us something like this because the market gave us a sort of a reversal there. I thought maybe the market was going to do something like that. But you know what? Nope, I was wrong. Then the market reversed, and we see the market reaching the first area that we can say, or the first zone that we can say it's our potential support area. If the market breaks that, it means this second one is going to be the one. You see that? So I think maybe you see that, but we've been buying for quite some time, so I am expecting to see a proper reversal. You can see the market has been actually going higher. So now it's time for the market to reverse. So this area, if maybe we can mark that level, let's mark this level and see. Something like that. Is it the same as this? Yeah, quite similar to this type of a move. So there is a chance that the market can reverse there because I see that average move there, which is quite similar to the previous one. So maybe the market might find a nice support around this level. Then we'll see the market trying to push to the upside. Then we can actually jump straight to that. So I will place that notification so that once the market pushes higher, so that I don't really miss that trade. I think this can be a very proper trade. I think maybe we might see those proper moves, especially when the market open. Once the market opens, we might see that. So now we are on Nasdaq. Nasdaq is still actually trying to push the upside, but where we are now, we reached a level where we can say we are ranging or consolidating. So at the moment, we can see the market ranging, but at the end of the day, I still believe that we will see the market trying to push to the upside, especially when we are on this a nice bullish move. So we expect the market to do what? To push to the upside. So around this level, I think still very a good actually area. I'm waiting for the market to reach this support area. Yesterday we did smash this one. I said my people should scalp, and they did. So I think now maybe the market, as it's reversing, maybe it will reach this level before going up. Unless if maybe we see a breakout, anything is possible. I'm not saying that just because we have this support area, we might not get a breakout. It's possible. The market has been buying for a while now. So maybe a proper reversal, it's fine before we see a proper push. But at the moment, as the market is still above our support area, we will still respect this support area until it's broken. But at the moment, it's still not broken, so which means we have to respect that. So once the market reaches this area, we have to be ready, and I think maybe that will happen around the market open. So now let's go straight to Usoil or YTI. So this has some crazy moves at the moment, so we just need to be extra careful. Because what we have here, it's not really clean. It's not really clear. Not clean. We see the market breaking out. Let's go maybe on a daily time frame. Maybe we will see something. So let's see. I think this is something like this. You see that? So let me take out my notification. It's been there for maybe 3 days now. So what's really happening here is we were on a very nice downtrend structure, or we can say aggressive. You can see that. You see. So then the market went lower, or the market was going down as a downtrend, but now we have this breakout. So we thought maybe the market was about to change the trend. As the market once breaks out here, we expect the market to do that. We expect the market to change the trend, but that did not really happen. Now we see the market going back again. And when we check, or when I check nicely, I think the market is trying to give us something. Let's check this area. 1, 2, 3. Do you see that? If we connect those lines, I think it's going to be obvious that, yeah, something might happen there. So which means we might start to see the market moving like that. So that's why I had a notification. I can't buy inside this downtrend because there is a chance that the market can still continue going lower. You see, since the market got inside this trend, we never saw any breakout. So which means maybe the market might just continue going lower. But if the market breaks, then I think the market might be trying to push the upside. But we need to be extra careful. We don't really need to just jump in the market for the sake of trading. You see, sometimes we need to be safe. Let's not really fight the market. So anyways, thank you very much, guys. For those who wants to be part of the team, don't forget to let me know. And what you can do, support the channel, guys, by subscribing, like, share with your friends. So thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.